Does your Wi-Fi have dead zones? If your internet signal doesn't reach the bedroom or the backyard, this Pix-Link Range extender is the solution. In this guide, I'll show you how to set it up using the standard browser login method. Let's get started. First, unbox your Pix-Link extender and plug into a power outlet. For the initial setup, it's best to plug it in right next to your main Wi-Fi router. Wait about 30 to 45 seconds for the device to power on. You'll see the power LED light up. Now, grab your phone, tablet, or laptop. Open your Wi-Fi settings. Look for a new open network that starts with Pix-Link or Wi-Fi repeater. Connect it. After connection, now open your browser and type 192.168.7.1 in the address bar. Use default password admin and press login button from the setup wizard. You should now be in the setup wizard. Click repeater. The extender will search for all nearby Wi-Fi networks. From the list, select your main home Wi-Fi network, the one you want to extend. Tap select button. And, in the next steps, enter your home Wi-Fi password. Type password carefully to avoid failed connection and press connect button. You will get success message. Once the configuration is complete, the extender will restart. Now go to mobile or laptop Wi-Fi, and you will get extender SSID name same as your home Wi-Fi SSID, followed by EXT. Use same password as your main Wi-Fi to connect it. You can now unplug it and move it to its final location. Ideally, place it halfway between your main router and the area with poor signal, but still within range of your router. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Pix-Link Range extender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.